The first way to fix no image in your S24 Ultra is just press and hold power and volume down. So press and hold these two and keep them held down for around 10 to 15 seconds. My image works, but if yours is not, what probably happens is the software has frozen. So by doing this, we are initiating a forced restart, and you can just keep these two buttons held down until we see the Samsung logo. Now the second solution is if this does not choose to work, what we'll need to do is we will need to get two thumbs here, and we're going to press down really hard on the back of the phone. So what we're doing is a battery or display cable may have unplugged. By pushing down really hard and put maximum force on the back of the phone, go all the way around the back, we are trying to push that cable back in. So just go all the way around the back. You can also do really hard tapping as well. Do it multiple times, do the full back, do the same with the front, and then try solution one again. And if that still doesn't work, you're going to have to bring your Samsung into repair.